Hello everyone, my name is Tatiana Bolaños and in this video I am going to pronounce some English sounds, consonants, vowels and diphthongs. Let's start. Consonant. As in think, think. As in those. As in boys. As in red. Sh, as in measure. Sh, as in chair. As in jump. N, as in sing. As in house. Vowels. E, as in see. E, as in sit. E, as in pen. A, as in cat. A, as in car. O, as in hot. O, as in door. U, as in book. U, as in foot. U, as in cup. Earth, as in bird. Air, as in about. Diphthongs. A, as in name. I, as in time. Oi, as in boy. Ow, as in house. O, as in go. Air, as in air. A, as in hair. Ur, as in tour. Okay. Tongue twister with consonant sounds. Three very rich chefs jump high and sing joyfully through the shining jungle. Thanks for watching.